I'm gonna like you anyway. Yeah, like you.
Welcome back to Gimme Chocolate. Ooh, Marzi.
We only have 2.
Oh, is it? Sorry.
You're very ready to start cracking
Very
with the
ready.
eggs. But do you want to know what we are making today?
Oh, yeah, exactly. Thank you.
So we are making a delicious Walnut Merendina delight.
Oh, lovely.
So shall we take a look at the recipe?
Yes, sure.
Let's take a look. To make Walnut Merendina delight, we need ingredients for cake: all-purpose flour, chopped walnuts, castor sugar, baking powder, zest of orange, vanilla essence, corn flour, baking soda, vegetable oil, buttermilk, salt, eggs. Ingredients for jelly: raspberry jelly mix, water, gelatin. Ingredients for plating: melted white chocolate, melted dark chocolate, walnuts. Let's get started with the sponge cake. Eggs, sugar, and we're going to start whipping it up. Oil, vanilla essence, and we're going to go back and whip it a little bit more. Flour, corn flour, orange zest, baking powder, salt, buttermilk, baking soda. I'm going to add lots of walnuts because they are a dynamic ingredient and taste good every time with everything. The walnuts are just going to add to the bite every time you take one from this merendina. Let's bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Quickly get started on the raspberry delight. Water, raspberry flavorings, vegetarian gelatin. I'm going to go and put my raspberry jelly in the fridge for 40 minutes. 20 minutes are up. Let's see how sponge is doing. 40 minutes are up. Let's get the jelly. This is going to taste amazing. So in the How the Cookie Crumbles, Nora won the round.
Okay.
So Nora gets ready-made jelly. You have to make the raspberry jelly.
It's not fair.
Dekha?
Okay, I'll make it.
And your time starts now.
All right.
Chalu karne ka na?
हाँ, चालू करना है.
So, you take the egg and you crack it in. Then pour sugar in it.
There we go.
Ah, I got it.
And we're mixing and we're stirring.
And we are mixing
Don't copy.
and mixing. How yours is mixed like this? Mine is not.
See, he doesn't like the fact that mine mixes better than his.
No, mine is coming around.
Showed him the disaster.
Not yet. Wait.
एक टेक्निक होता है मिक्सिंग करने के लिए.
हम कभी किचन में गया नहीं था, you know.
पता है.
हमारे सक्सेस पे जलते हैं पब्लिक.
Okay, so after we add the flour,
We add the corn flour. You didn't know that.
baking soda, and we're adding the pinch of salt. There we go.
God, someone's very slow.
No, see, I'm very careful with how I do this because I want correct texture and I want it to taste perfect.
Final product will decide.
Walnuts and orange zest.
Excuse me, I'm
Hanji.
already on the way of putting it in.
I'm just perfecting my mixture.
You keep doing that.
Well done, Marzi.
Did you hear that?
I don't understand English.
She can't handle someone else's being praised here. She can handle it.
Let's head towards the oven. Marzi, while we have our delicious buttermilk sponge cake baking, let's start making the jelly because you have a penalty in this round.
I'm just too good. I'll make it better than what she's done.
It's because you lost, that's why you have to make it.
गौर से देखिए इस इंसान को जो हमको जेली बनाते हुए देखेंगे. Watch.
ये क्या है?
Style है बाबा. It's a
नाम क्या है?
हाँ, saucepan. This is, ladies and gentlemen, this is a saucepan. We'll pour some water into the saucepan.
Nora, your jelly is ready. Would you like to get it from the fridge? Let's get it.
Jelly's ready.
Some people work for it. Some people get it ready-made.
Let's put it in the fridge. We need 40 minutes.
ये रहा fridge.
Thank you. थोड़ा और खोलेंगे मैडम हाथ नहीं घुस रहा है अंदर. Thank you. Thank you. See the style.
Marzi, 40 minutes are up. Shall we go get the jelly from the fridge?
Excuse me.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
जरा खोलेंगे जी फ्रिज हमारे लिए.
Sorry, I'm not a fridge model. I'm a chef.
Okay, तो हम खोल देते. Oh, wow.
As we speak, I am cutting the square. You know what a square is, right? It's that shape that's like this. Cut, cut, cut.
I know when you picked it up and you dropped your jelly, you were looking to see if Nora was watching you.
What? Why are we discussing this?
Beautiful. Perfect.
हमारा chocolate किधर है? हाँ इधर है.
We have exactly 1 minute left. And the countdown begins now. 5, 6, 7, 8, and go.
We are done. No pudding.
What
It's done. No,
rubbish?
it's cheating.
Both your platters look like a piece of art.
Thank you.
But I have to taste it and make that choice.
Mine will taste better because it just has to.
No, mine will taste better because it's all hard. Cheers. I'm a genius.
Is it really good?
Mm.
Yeah?
Can you taste the orange?
Yeah.
And did you see how the oranges and raspberry just enhance the cake?
I've beaten you. Oh God, now Bichari. You have to bear this, please. Zeba, all the best.
I loved it.
And you can be
Really?
honest.
I loved it.
It's actually really good.
Mine tasted better.
Nora and Marzi, I know you're very competitive.
Extremely.
In fact, you have been astounding in the kitchen, but Nora stole the show.
Always, every day.
Because the way she has designed hearts on her Merendina cake is amazing. Nora, I declare you the winner of the chocolate face-off.
Yes.
No. But
Yes.
Marzi, I have good news. No one ever is a loser on Gimme Chocolate.
Oh, nice.
But this
You're
is the first
a winner
time.
too.
Nice.
Yay!
Yeah, winner,
Nora,
please
this
take the
is
ample.
for you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. Very nice. Go for it. And
Perfect.
Arey baapre. My hand's so tiny.
I'm gonna like you anyway. Yeah, like you.